AION is an AI lifecycle management platform for applying machine learning to real-world problems. It encompasses the complete pipeline from raw dataset ingestion to deployable machine learning model with low-code or no-code approach. So, today we will be discussing how to build use cases in this. You may be thinking, how does AION works? Data in varied formats and from multiple sources is ingested and processed using data and feature engineering. AION then applies machine learning as code to develop ML models and automate low-end work. Next, it provides model monitoring and drift analysis for input-output data and model predictions. Having taken the data through these various stages, AION can successfully deliver insights that lead to significant business benefits. So this is the AION toolkit available for you. Today we will be discussing how to build use case in this. So from here you can make a new use case. Also, if you want, you can add description here. So for today, we are taking KDD dataset. So we will create model predictor, which will help you find the network intrusion like we can see in this dataset. Basically, network intrusion is any unauthorized activity on a computer network. So based on this data, we'll train our model and we'll get the prediction results. Then we have these much options available. Here you can upload the data, wherein you have the structured data where you can have it in CSV format or from the different data ingestion tools available like NiFi, URL, GCP storage, or from any of the point and start the analysis. Next we have the unstructured data where you can have the data in the form of text or PDF format. Now, we have the custom Python script. Like here, if you want to get the data, like you have written some code which generates the data, then you can upload that as well. Then external data sources, that could be like the traditional databases MS SQL, MySQL, etc. So from here also you can get the data. Then we have provided the inbuilt sklearn data sources just to try this AION. Here 4 datasets are available which you can use them and try it. So for this use case, since we are going to have this KDD dataset, then we will simply upload this. So now we will show you how EDA is done in AION. So, AION suggests you some important features which might be required looking at the data. So based on these features you can do the exploratory data analysis. And then once you are done with the data analysis you can move to next step and start building the model. So this problem statement is falling under the multi-class classification because we are going to predict different classes of the network intrusion. So that's why we are going to use classification here. But anyways, we can have these kind of problem types which AION offers. After that we will choose scoring criteria. Here we are choosing accuracy. Under the classification, we have these much algorithms available for you. And here we'll be selecting XGBoost. Then comes the feature configuration. So herein these are the features which are available in the data. And the types are given here, like duration was the numerical type and protocol was the categorical type. And then we can do some pre-processing from here. Like you want to have the median for the duration column. And you want to have the encoding available. And when your case is for anomaly detection, then you can have those values from here and after that normalization. So these are the pre-processing things which you can choose from the simple drop-downs and you can move forward. So for this, my target feature is label.so, we will select that. There is also advanced configuration option wherein as a data scientist if you think that these transformations you want to do like text cleaning, text feature extraction, text embedding, And this feature engineering is also available. Like here you can choose these methods, like feature selection you can do through threshold features. And in this use case, we are doing feature engineering where we are selecting PCA and number of components as 2. After that, you land up to this screen, and then once you click on Train Model, then your model will start training. You can also monitor training by checking the logs which are available here. When the training is completed, we have this screen available. We have the results in the form of trained model details. And under this, we have trained model info. In this we can see that the deployment location is available. Also 99 was the best score. We can also download reports. In this we can see that the testing data evaluation is available here. Here we can see that the confusion matrix is there between actual and the predicted ones. Also classification report is also available here. Like the testing data evaluation, we have the training data evaluation available. Basically we split data into 80/20 in AION by default. But anyways we can change that too. Lastly we have the performance available. Here we can see that the ROC curves are already there. By seeing this it will be very helpful to analyze our prediction. Now once the model is trained, we land up to this page, wherein you have the score available that is 99%, which is a good amount of score for this data. Now you have the option of model downloading. Here we can see that firstly we have the option of Python package. So once we click into this it will be downloaded in the form of WIL package. Next we have the model container package. Here we have the model Docker image available. Also we have the machine learning as code available. Lastly we have the option of downloading homomorphic encrypted package. So overall we can download these packages and can plug it into our actual product where the trained model is available for you. And you can simply get the predicted results. So these are the ways you can download your model. Next we have retraining option, like if you want to change some parameters and then want to train it, then you can choose this option. Also we have reconfigure option. Like in this maybe you have added more data set. Like once you analyze the data, then you see that in your model drift is happening over a period of time, then you can simply reconfigure it and train it. And then the model prediction is available, wherein we gave you this simple text-based inputs where you can try out, like for these inputs. If we click on predict, we want to find out like in which category the prediction says as per my model. Like is it a normal intrusion or it was falling into some different class. So this way it predicts that it was a normal one and probability was this, and also showing other remarks for this. Similarly you can have the predict batch. Like once you upload your test dataset and finally click on submit, then you can try out what is the prediction coming for complete new set of records. So that also is available. You can have the batch prediction being shown up here. Then you can generate the script also. For prediction you can have the script generated which you can plug into your products and use it. Another good feature we have is model drift. So anytime, if you want to see that over the period of time when we deploy model, the new data comes in, and we want to see the drift in the data.so, here we can see that. Here you can upload the data and can see what kind of new distribution is available in the data. So now you have the complete idea of how we build use cases in AION. You can build many use cases, can test with different models and can get the desired results. Thank you.